Good morning and welcome to Miss Rhoadie. Today we'll be discussing my September sales report and best-selling products. For the month of September, I had 43 sales across all stores. So this is in comparison to the 44 sales during the month of August. Sales broken down by store: Miss Rhoadie 13, Weddings by Rhoadie 6, Homeschool Me 9, Rhodie's Kitchen 6, Alma Africa 0, Bible Verses and Gifts 8, Earrings by Rhoadie 1. Best selling items. For this month, I had a new entry, Wedding Usher Gold and White Button, which came in first place, and that's from my Weddings by Rhoadie store. My second best selling item was my Happy Birthday Best Boyfriend Ever greeting card from my Miss Rhoadie store. And this was actually my first best-selling item for the month of August. My honorable mention is this postcard. And I'm happy to sell this postcard because I haven't sold it in a long time, maybe a few years. This is from my Miss Rhoadie store. Other items sold: I sold stationery, keychains, playing cards, postcards, car magnets, a tote bag, bath towels, file folders, a bath mat, an eraser, and kitchen towels. Customer demographics: 79% of my customers were from the US and 21% were international. 74% of my customers were women, 16% men, and 5% unknown. My top state was California with 5 sales. International sales: I had 6 sales from Australia, 1 from Canada, 1 from the Netherlands, and 1 from the United Kingdom. Referrals: I did not have any referrals for the month of September. And takeaways: I was surprised that my wedding usher buttons were best selling for this month. So, because that's not usually something that's best selling for me, but it also shows you how search engine optimization works. That if one person buys something and then another person buys something um, right after, and I'm not talking about that day, but it could be like within a couple of days, that it could cause, I guess maybe the algorithm would cause your product to be pushed more in the marketplace. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.